I don't know what happened. I filmed myself going to the mall, picking up the shoes. I was talking, making an intro for this video, and I don't know what happened to the clip. I think it got deleted. I probably deleted it by accident. So there's no point for me to go back up to the mall to film that just so I can pretend that I just went to the mall or whatever. So the intro is gonna be me here right now talking to you guys, saying that the video starts in 3, 2, 1. These shoes are actually for Tiffany. Tiffany messaged me on Instagram asking for a custom pair of shoes, so she's getting a custom pair of shoes. Well, truth be told, she already has her shoes because this video now is a couple weeks old as I'm editing it. She kind of gave me full reign on the colors and designs, and she wanted a custom pair of shoes, so simple enough. And I hope you guys are enjoying this process so far.
Bom dia, mais dia maravilhoso.
Interesting choice in music this week, huh?
Bom dia. Eu amo mais natureza. Bom dia.
First of all, I want to say thank you, Tiffany, for commissioning this pair of shoes. If anyone out there wants a pair of shoes, all you gotta do is email me at nicholasib@gmail.com or follow me on Instagram at nickib and just shoot me a DM. I'll respond. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. And if you want to subscribe, cool. If not, cool. I'm not gonna force you. I'm thinking about pumping out some more videos, maybe 2 a week. I asked in a community post if people would want to see 2 videos, and the majority of people have been saying 2 videos. But if you have any thoughts on this matter, comment down below and I'll get to reading. But I'll see you soon. Peace.
Mais dia maravilhoso nessa terra.